So hello guys, in this video I will be explain how I make $300 in a couple of days without investment my own money, and this is in a BingX exchange. It looks like airdrops in a 2022, 2021. I explain a lot about this, but now we have a boring markets, and but we still have opportunity. And today I am explaining that I open 3 trades, and now I have one trade which is still available, and I get the profits, but I didn't invest my own money. It's not like a fairy tales, it's not a mystery, and it's also not like advertisement. It's not for gamblers. It's for people who really want to start trading and have a strategy and really try to open 3-4 position without any risk. So what I mean, if you register in a BingX right now, it's actually a big exchange, you can use bonus voucher. What does it mean? It means I open 3 position. One position was in around $1,000, second position was around $300, and last one just $50. First position was in $1,000 and I get $200. It was my profit. And after when I have a profit, I open another position for $300 and I get $8. And after I open position using voucher again, and I just didn't lost nothing. I just use my voucher. So because position was in a minus, I just use my voucher, and that's all. So what is the interesting? If you register now in a BingX exchange, you will have a kind of present from this exchange. Of course, it's used like advertisement for invite a lot of people from Bybit, from Binance, from another exchange, but we never can trust for any exchange. But we use exchange just for our comfortable trading, and we never hold our money in exchange. But this is a kind of good exchange which working with the Ferrari Formula 1 team, and it's also one of the top exchange right now. But what is the most interesting, after registration, they will give you like a bonus, because if you using our partnership link, which will be below this video, you will be get a guarantee 2 voucher in a $250. So you can open position in a $250, so long, short, and this voucher will be available 24 hours. So what does mean? It's important. You have to check charts, and you will have a kind of strategy. And if you will see that you have a kind of level, support, resistance zone, and if you are thinking that charts should be going up or down exactly in these 24 hours, you can open position for free without any risk. If this position will be achieve take profit or achieve some profit, you can close this position before 24 hours. But if you will be wait longer than 24 hours, this position will be closed automatically. And if you will have a minus in this moment, you don't need pay nothing. But if you have a profit, for example, you open position for $1,000, which I did before, you can and your position increasing in 10%, you can get this $100 just without any risk. So this, I think it's interesting things, and it's exactly what I did before, because if you will see my position, and you can see that I use voucher, not my own money. In this trade I use my own money, but in these 2 trades I use a voucher. And if I have a minus, I didn't pay nothing. But if I have a profit, I just get $200. And it looks really interesting. I never saw it before, and all what you need to just exchange and have a KYC in this exchange, and follow our partnership link, and after that you will find this voucher in your account. Of course, first you didn't get all this voucher. First you get some voucher, and after you can use for example the biggest voucher for 200 with a 5x leverage. It's $1,000. I think it's a really good opportunity, because if I open position and I don't have a risk to lose my money, it's kind of interesting. So I hope you will use it, and I hope you will get some profit if you will use a smart trading, not gambling, please. And anyway, in this channel I will be explain later, I hope, more information, because markets are boring, and last 6 months it's nothing to do, because I just wait my chance, because dominance still in this sideways zone already 6 months, and I didn't explain a lot of things because nothing changed. But when Bitcoin dominance will be going down, which I wait so strong. Even you can follow Telegram, and you can see how I predict how Bitcoin will be dropped since $120,000 and already $70,000, and I still believe that Bitcoin will be go lower and lower. What I mean, I even can show Telegram, and sometimes I post some interesting news, especially today when Michael Saylor sold BTC. It's actually big news because I always saying that I don't believe that Satoshi Nakamoto is kind of mysterious person. I believe that it's a US government who created Bitcoin, and all news which we saw from last 2 years that Trump advertised Bitcoin and BlackRock buying Bitcoin, it's a fake. It's a for manipulation people mindset, and I think it was good time to sell Bitcoin, in my opinion, 1 year ago. Of course, best time it was in the last autumn, but we never know where is the topest, where is the highest position. But selling Bitcoin around $100,000, if you buy for around $16,000, I think it's a so perfect trade. And right now, when we already see the news how Michael Saylor selling Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now below moving average 200, which I also show, and it's I think big sign that Bitcoin just continue going down. And I show it actually even in October when Bitcoin cost 110,000, and I explained that we are in a Wyckoff distribution zone, and I think it's a time going down. So if you want to prepare to big move in the markets, maybe it's a good time to use BingX, to use voucher to make some profit, I hope. And follow this channel if you want to know more about the markets and get information from professional team. So see you later.